Hi, Tim Unkert here. Ever curious what the sum of 1 to a million is? Well, with Python, you can easily figure that out. So first, let's create a list, a numbers list of numbers 1 to a million. And I'll just unpack a range here from 1, and we'll go to 1,000,001. Okay, because the last number in the list is not inclusive, it's exclusive. So we're actually going to have a list from numbers 1 to a million. To figure out the sum, this is pretty easy. We just do a simple for loop. So we'll say for number in numbers list. And before that, let's create a variable called total, or we could call it sum. Probably sum's a little bit better, but sum is a uh, reserved word in Python. So yeah, let's go with total. And so we'll say total is 0. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add to total each time through the loop. So we'll say plus equals number. And then we'll go down here and print the total and build. And we get this number. So let's see. So we got comma there, comma there, comma there. So it looks like 500 trillion, 500,000 would be the sum from 1 to a million. And that can easily be done in Python. Hope you found this video interesting. If you did, could you please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. Also, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.